Dear students, welcome to my channel, Dr. V.R. Pudli, Professor of Management and Economics. In this video, I had dealt with relationship of business economics with other sciences. In this video, I had dealt with one relationship of business economics and economics, two relationship of business economics and statistics, three relationship of business economics and mathematics, four relationship of business economics and accounting, and five relationship of business economics and operations research. Relationship of business economics and economics. Economics is a science which deals with wealth of nations. It is also defined as a science which deals with welfare of individuals. It is also defined as a science which deals with the allocation of scarce resources among unlimited wants. Economics is divided into two branches, microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics deals with individuals and individual firms. Macroeconomics deals with aggregates including unemployment, national income, inflation, economic growth, balance of payments, fiscal policy, and monetary policy. Both microeconomics and macroeconomics supply tools to the subject of business economics. The economics concepts used in business economics include 1. Price elasticity of demand, 2. Income elasticity of demand, 3. Opportunity cost, 4. The multiplier, 5. Propensity to consume, 6. Marginal revenue product, 7. Speculative motive, 8. Production function, 9. Balanced growth, 10. Liquidity preference. Areas of economics used in business economics include 1. Demand theory, 2. Theory of firm, 3. Business financing, 4. Public finance and fiscal policy, 5. Money and banking, 6. National income and social accounting, 7. Theory of international trade, and 8. Economics of developing countries. Relationship of business economics and statistics. Statistics is a subject which deals with collection, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of the data. Statistics provides tools which are useful for making data analysis, which ultimately useful for better decision making. Tools of statistics used in business economics include measures of central tendency, including mean, median, and mode, measures of dispersion, including range, quartile deviation, mean deviation, and standard deviation, measures of skewness, measures of kurtosis, correlation and regression, theory of probability, theory of estimation, and testing of hypothesis. Relationship of business economics and mathematics. Mathematics is a science which deals with numbers, quantities, and space. Mathematics supplies different tools which will be useful for making better decisions to business economics. The tools of mathematics used in business economics include logarithms, exponentials, vectors, functions, limits, differentiation, integration, maxima and minima, and matrices. The relationship between business economics and accounting. Accounting is a science which deals with recording of financial transactions of the firm. Accounting deals with preparation of various financial statements. They include balance sheet, trading account, and profit and loss account. It is also useful in preparing funds flow statement and cash flow statement. Accounting provides information from trading account, information from P&L account, which will be useful for deciding prices of the commodities and services, which is a core area in business economics. The relationship between business economics and operations research. Operations research deals with development and application of advanced tools useful for better decision making. Operations research provides tools for business economics which will be useful for making better decisions. Tools of operations research used in business economics include 1. Game theory, 2. Decision theory, 3. Linear programming, 4. Queuing models, 5. Inventory models. Dear students, in this video we learned about relationship of business economics with other sciences. Thank you.